in the garden of thine heart. Plant not but the rose of love, and from the nightingale of affection and desire, lose another home. Treasure the companionship of the righteous and active, oh fellowship with the ungodly. Oh friend, in the garden of thine heart, plant not but the rose of love, and from the nightingale of affection and desire, lose another home. Treasure the companionship of the righteous and true, oh fellowship with the ungodly. Treasure the companionship of the righteous and true, oh fellowship with the ungodly. Oh friend, in the garden of thine heart, plant not but the rose of love, and from the nightingale of affection